What's up, dude? We got this Drift R34 coupe in today for some air cups. So this will be the first time that I do this kind of stuff. So these will go on top of the coils. Can you fucking focus? Do I have manual focus on? Yeah, I got manual focus on. And yeah, so these will go on top of the coils, and he'll be able to kind of air up the car so he can get through his driveway. That's his main concern. But we'll get everything mounted up, run all the lines front and rear, and the wiring for it. Batteries in the back, so that's good because that'll be a lot less work to do. But I'll guide you through that, and we'll tear apart interior a little bit so we can run the lines through, because I prefer that over running lines under the car. So we're gonna get this car jacked up, put it on jack stands, and start taking shit apart. Alright, so to assemble this, the best way, or the way it says to do it, is to make sure you drop the spring 30 millimeters. So when you grab this 30 millimeters, I'll lower this perch down to match this. Off the top hat from here, and we're going to slide this on top of the spring. Now this washer is going to go in between the top hat and this, because this is a McPherson style strut. I know the bottom isn't, but the suspension design itself, the spindle, it spins when you turn the wheel, therefore the coilover spins, and in order to keep the bag from spinning with it, the spacer will allow that to kind of sit where it needs to and not spin. So let me go ahead and remove the top hat, adjust this, install this, and then I'll show you guys how that's done. Alright, so the cups are in, coils are back in, he's getting the rears back in. Damn, I just said back in like 12 fucking times. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the lines through the car out to the trunk. He's already got the back seat out and everything, so it should give me access. And then I'm gonna run, most of the wiring's gonna be done back here since the battery's back here. The only wire that I will be running up to the cabin is gonna be this switch, which is, you press it once, and that's gonna air it up. Press it again, it's gonna air it back down to normal. So I'm gonna figure out all the wiring schematics and then figure out where to pretty much mount all these. So like one of these is gonna go for the front bags, one of these is gonna be for the rear bags. They're gonna have the two tee-offs, or a couple tee-offs to go between the two other bags. So let me figure all this out. Once everything's kind of like mounted, routed, and everything, I'll show you guys how that was done, and we'll be back. So this airline ran through here. I put a little rubber grommet into that space. That's ran there. That's ran in through here. Ran all the way through. It's gonna go through the trunk, through the back seat, into the trunk. Javi just pulled up, so I don't think, I'm not gonna make him help or anything, but gosh, this thing's sick, dude. So sick. He just got the over fenders on and painted because he had them white before. Drag wing is sick. Love this car. I'll go finish that shit.
I've stolen your camera.
Okay. No one ever does that.
Ah.
That is what she said. Is that how the drill works?
What'd you say?
Hold me.
Hold.
Hold the coil.
What did you need?
Jack me out. I mean, strap it.
But I think he actually asked me to do something. I can't remember what he said.
You can help him later. I've got both front and rear teed off, and they go into.
Oh.
They go into these, all right? Which then these get teed off into the tank. This can be cleaned up later. This is all kind of just to get all of this done. Now I'm going to wire everything in, which I will show afterwards. And then we can go help Adolfo with whatever. Alright, so we're pretty much done here. God damn. Alright. Javi was messing with the settings here, probably on accident.
Oh, what I do?
Just ISO and shutter speed.
Oh yeah.
No big deal. Oh yeah, you were trying to zoom. All this shit show is done. It's a whole lot of wiring. Again, we can clean up at another time. Adolfo just had to self-tap the ground because fuck it, I guess. Batteries to the battery. The remote wire I just put into his sub remote wire so that we don't have to run another line all the way up front. All the pressure switch is all done. This is the switch that he will click to power his shit up, which has a ground that I fucking forgot about. Yay! So I gotta do another ground to attach to that ground to keep grounding the ground to grounds. A lot of grounds. Let me get that done and then I will show the rest of the car when it's done. So there's the compressor, which we might want to bolt it down. Yeah. So proof of concept is that it works. It's filling up the tank now. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably self-tap these two. Want me to just self-tap those? No. Or you don't even know where you want it yet, right?
Yeah.
We'll figure something out to mount this, but this is all working. Car's fully done. He doesn't have the switch in yet, so I don't think we'll show the going up and down just yet. We can plug it in now, I guess. See if it
Hit it.
hit it. I can hear air.
The rear one, Oh, yeah, that one, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I can. It's slow. It's gonna be slow because it's not like. Yeah, it doesn't have as much air in the tank as it should.
Yeah.
So.
Right the button right now, shoot air up.
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
There's let air up on top.
Well, probably air it out because you don't want it to have too much stress on the cups. Cool. That's nice. But he'll let the tank actually build air and it should work fine. If not, I'll probably go to the Croc house or his house, Croc house, RIP, and fix whatever needs to be fixed. But everything should work. I mean, like I said, tank is all good, compressors, putting air in it. This is a disaster. But we're done, so if you made it this far, I appreciate it. You know, I'll try and get more content with these boys. They've got amazing cars, and I'd love to see it. Love to see the cars. So, thanks again for watching. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone, up the blicks. Pray to God,